Assalamualaikum class 7. Hope you will be fine. Students, here's your book, The Grammar Tree. So let's start our today's topic. Students, in our previous lecture we have discussed in detail about the finite and non-finite verbs, and today we will complete exercise C, D and E, and you have to complete exercise C, D and E on your notebooks. So format is here in front of you. Write down the classwork as well as chapter number 6. Chapter number 6 name, verb, finite and non-finite, then exercise number C, and then write the question. Rewrite the following sentences using either a participle or a gerund. हमने participle या gerund को यूज़ करते हुए अपने इन sentences को complete करना है या मीन rewrite करना है। यहाँ पे मैंने आपके सामने जस्ट आंसर्स राइट डाउन किए हैं। आप अपनी बुक से क्वेश्चंस को देखेंगे और अपनी नोटबुक्स पे अपने आंसर्स को कंप्लीट करेंगे। इसका मैं क्वेश्चन पढ़ देती हूँ। क्वेश्चन नंबर इसमें सेंटेंस नंबर 2 है हमारे पास। शी लाइक्स टू राइड हर मोटरसाइकिल एवरी डे। हम इसमें जेरेंड यूज़ करते हुए इसको कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं। शी लाइक्स राइडिंग हर मोटरसाइकिल एवरी डे। नंबर 3, आई प्रेफर टू रीड एंड वॉच टेलीविजन। I prefer reading and watching television. Number 4, Sahib waved his bag and acknowledged the crowd. Waving his badge, Sahib acknowledged the crowd. Number 5, he has been waiting for his turn for too long and is now tired of it. Waiting for his turn too long, he is now tired of it. Number 6, he saw an airplane that was flying in the air. He saw an airplane flying in the air. Clear, students? You have to complete this exercise on your notebooks. Next आगे हमारे पास exercise number D है. Combine the following pairs of sentences using infinitives. अब हमने नंबर 2 हमारे पास जो ऑप्शन आ रहा है वो हमने infinitives की हेल्प से अपने sentences को complete करना है. One has been done for you. तो sentence number 1 is completed on your books. He did not have enough money. He could not buy even a loaf of bread. He did not have enough money to buy even a loaf of bread. Sentence number 2 से हम start करेंगे। अब अपने answers अपनी notebooks पे complete करेंगे। Sentence number 2, she traveled to Peshawar. She wanted to visit the Jamur Fort. He traveled to Peshawar to visit the Jamur Fort. Number 3, I want to win this scholarship. I am working very hard for that. I am working very hard to win the scholarship. Number 4, they kept flying the kites. They wanted to see who was the best. They kept flying the kites to see who was the best. यहाँ पे बाय मिस्टेक मैंने दी लिख दिया है, आप इसको दे कर लें, इसको आप दे लिखें। नंबर 4 सेंटेंस को अगेन देख लें स्टूडेंट्स। They kept flying the kites to see who was the best. Number 5, he tried hard. He wanted to understand the mechanism. He tried hard to make us understand the mechanism. Number 6, help those in need. It is a kind gesture. It is a kind gesture to help those in need. Number 7, he was scared. He did not try anything new. He was too scared to try anything new. Number 8, she dared to dream. She achieved the impossible. She dared to dream to achieve the impossible. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, क्लियर है। एक्सरसाइज नंबर डी भी हमने कंप्लीट कर ली। नेक्स्ट आगे हम एक्सरसाइज सी को कंप्लीट करेंगे। एक्सरसाइज नंबर सी, कंबाइन द फॉलोइंग पेयर ऑफ सेंटेंसेस बाय यूजिंग participles. One has been done for you. Sentence number 1 is done on your books. The watchman got up from his seat. He opened the gate. Getting up from his seat, the watchman opened the gate. हमने क्या कंप्लीट करना है इसमें? पार्टिसिपल्स की हेल्प से हमने इसको कंप्लीट करना है। हमने पार्टिसिपल्स के बारे में उससे पहले वाली एक्सरसाइज हमने इन्फिनिटिव से कंप्लीट की, और उससे पहले वाले भी हमने पार्टिसिपल और जेरेंड के थ्रू कंप्लीट की। हमने इन तीनों के बारे में, जेरेंड, पार्टिसिपल्स और इन्फिनिटिव्स के बारे में अपने प्रीवियस लेक्चर में डिटेल में डिस्कस किया है। तो एक्सरसाइज सी हमने किसकी हेल्प से कंप्लीट करनी है? बाय यूजिंग पार्टिसिपल्स। तो सेंटेंस नंबर 2 को देखेंगे स्टूडेंट्स। हिज टीचर इनकरेज्ड हिम, ही प्रिजर्व एंड वॉन द कंपटीशन। Encouraged by his teacher, he preserved and won the competition. Sentence number 3, she was busy at that time. She could not meet us. Being busy at that time, she could not meet us. Number 4, he rested for a while. He resumed mowing the lawn. Having rested for a while, comma, he resumed moving the lawn. Number 5. I studied my lesson at the last moment. I soon forgot them. Having studied my last lesson at the last moment, I soon forgot them. Number 6. I felt my way about in the darkness. I reached the back door. Feeling my way about in darkness, I reached the back door. Clear, students? We have to complete exercise C, D and E. In today's lecture, you have to complete all these exercises on your notebooks and also learn them. Okay, students, take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.